In 2016, a mysterious incident occurred at a lemur sanctuary located in Duke, USA. Out of the 13 lemurs at the sanctuary, 5 of them became very sick, and unfortunately, 4 of those lemurs eventually passed away. The staff had only fed and watered the animals with the usual fruits, so they investigated whether there was any bias in the air or water, or if there were any toxic substances, but they found nothing unusual. However, a veterinary pathologist who was examining tissue samples from the deceased lemurs noticed something peculiar. Upon examining the area around the heart and the stomach contents, we found the culprit, avocado. Indeed, avocados, commonly added to sandwiches and sauces or eaten fresh, were a favorite snack for lemurs. Scientists who conducted studies believed that the acute heart toxicity observed was likely caused by persin, a compound found in avocados. This discovery has led to concerns among the center's staff. Avocados have always been considered a healthy treat for many animals, including lemurs, due to their rich content of beneficial fats. Up until now, there have not been any issues reported. So, what went wrong? In 2021, there was a similar case at a ranch where 2 out of 6 horses that consumed avocados ended up dying. Tests indicated that these horses had been eating small amounts of avocado leaves and fruit over an extended period, and the persin content was found to be associated with their chronic heart disease. The likely cause of the lemur's death is the varying amounts of avocado each consumed. The different lethal thresholds of persin also played a role. Persin, the substance in question, is present in the leaves, stems, skin, and seeds of avocados. While it plays a crucial role in protecting the avocado from harmful bacteria, it can cause serious heart problems in some mammals. For pets like dogs and cats, consuming too much can result in severe vomiting and diarrhea, so it is best to keep avocados out of their diet. It's a big problem. So, is it dangerous for people if eaten regularly? Although it might seem that some individuals, like those with fruit allergies, could be allergic to avocados, it's worth noting that persin is generally not harmful to humans. In fact, persin is being actively utilized in cancer research for its properties in killing breast cancer cells. But what about other species beyond mammals? There were indeed concerns about avocados being harmful to birds, leading to scientific toxicity tests. In these tests, 8 canaries and 8 lovebirds were given avocados, resulting in 6 of the lovebirds and 1 canary dying from heart-related issues within 24 to 27 hours. The more avocados they consumed, the higher the mortality rate, while the 2 lovebirds that were given water remained normal throughout the observation period. Similarly, avocados can cause heart disease in birds, so they should not be fed to them. This raises an interesting question. How did animals manage to disperse avocado seeds, which are known to be toxic? First of all, if we go back thousands of years, there were creatures capable of swallowing the large seeds of avocados whole. Giant ground sloths, which were relatives of today's sloths but much bigger than humans, along with mammoths, are believed to have swallowed avocados whole. These enormous mammals would transport the seeds through their feces without damaging them. Although there was a potential risk of toxicity, it is thought that the sheer size of these creatures rendered them unaffected by the toxins, allowing them to safely consume avocados. So, who moved avocados after the giant ground sloth died out? This raises the question of how avocados managed to spread so widely. The answer lies with humans. Once people learned to cultivate crops, they began growing avocados. Nowadays, avocados rely entirely on humans for reproduction and would likely have faced extinction without human intervention. Today we delved into the avocado, a fruit that seems to be edible only by humans. This concludes the story brought to you by Cocobra.